Have you ever spent time manually calculating squares or cubes in Excel? What if I told you Excel could do that instantly and even go beyond with just one function? Sounds like magic, right? Let me show you how it's done. So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use power formula in Microsoft Excel with example. So this tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. I will take it a token of appreciation, so please keep supporting me. Let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel sheet. See, I have designed a table to apply the power formula in it. See, in the table I will calculate the square of the numbers, the cubes of the number, and the power 4 of the numbers and power 5 of the numbers. You can calculate any number of powers by using this formula. So let's start the process. Firstly, to square a number in Excel, simply select the cell and write the formula. Equal power, open the bracket, and in number space we will select the number which I have used in column B. For example, B4 here. Press comma and in the place of power write 2 because we want to square the numbers. So power would be 2. Write 2, close the bracket and press enter button. See, the square of number 2 is equal to 4. Now drag this cell till the end to apply the same formula in square column. See, these are the squares of the corresponding numbers. Now in next column we have to apply the cube formula in it. For this, select the cell and write the formula. Write equal power, select the number, that is B4, press comma and write 3 here because we want to cube the numbers. Close the bracket and press enter button. See, the cube of number 2 is 8. Now drag this cell till the end to apply the same formula. Simply to calculate the power 4 of the numbers, select the cell and write the formula, same like square and cube. Equal power, open the bracket and select the cell, that is B4, press comma, close the bracket and press enter button. See, the power 4 of number 2 is 16. Now drag the cell till the end to apply the same formula in this column. The same procedure is used to calculate the power 5 of the numbers. Simply select the cell and write the formula equal power, open the bracket, select the cell, that is B4 and press comma 5 because we want to calculate power 5. Close the bracket and press enter button. See, the power 5 of the number 2 is 32. Simply drag the cell till the end to apply the formula in the column. So that's how to use power formula in Microsoft Excel. If you have any question about the entire process, then please tell me in comment section, and if this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching and keep supporting me.